I thought it was going to be like the movie The Devil Wears Prada, where I was going to be bringing coffee and running errands and making a bunch of phone calls. I was a bit nervous because I thought I was going to be expected to know everything. Fortunately, at HR Green, they want you to have a hands-on experience. You're working as you're learning.
I personally wanted to be a sponge and learn from more experienced engineers. I knew that coming into this internship that I had a lot to learn, and one of the best things that I did personally was I always tried to say yes to a task. So whenever an engineer came up to me with a task at hand, I wanted to say yes because I knew it would give me the opportunity to learn something new.
As an intern in the transportation business line, I was introduced to a variety of different types of projects, like roadway widening, pavement resurfacing, as well as sidewalk and curb ramp reconstruction. Some of the tasks I was given included calculating project quantities, working on traffic control plan sheets, and going through plan sheet markups. My favorite part about my internship was the hands-on experience in transportation design. With HR Green's collaborative environment, my coworkers always took the time to explain the tasks at hand and provide support when needed.
I had the opportunity to work on a variety of different tasks. Some of these included reading through and editing specifications, doing some design calculations, and marking up plan set drawings. My favorite part of my internship would definitely be the welcoming office environment and also the opportunity to learn from so many knowledgeable people. While I was interning, I went to as many YP events as I could. Some of the things we did were happy hours, attend an iCubs game, and visit the Iowa State Fair. YP was a great opportunity to get to know my coworkers better, and it was a lot of fun. So I definitely recommend it to new interns and new employees.
If you're not confused, or if you don't know how to proceed, then you're not being challenged enough. And so he would give me tasks that were within my realm of expertise, but I had to work for it. I had to kind of fight for it. One of the things that kind of pushed me out of my comfort zone was I had to design a storm pipe for a couple of streets, and also I had to do drainage areas for those streets. And I had never done those before. Now, I knew in theory what a drainage area was. I knew in theory how a storm pipe worked, but I had never actually applied that to actual practical engineering work.
I was challenged with providing my own ideas and solutions to projects. As an intern, I lacked confidence. However, my coworkers were great mentors and provided feedback throughout. Having the opportunity to strengthen my engineering judgment was really rewarding. I encourage future interns to accept all challenges and never be afraid to ask questions.
One of the biggest challenges that I encountered during my internship was actually one of my greatest accomplishments. So the project I was working on was called the Northline Project. It was a really big $11.5 million project where HR Green was hired to design the drainage of 7,000 feet of road-type ditches, also perform the H&H analysis and evaluate the existing paving conditions of all the streets. And since I was the CAD designer for this project, me and the team had to work a lot of hours to get this project pushed through. And in just 8 months, we were able to submit the 90% design of this estimated $11 million construction project. And because of the team's hard work, we were able to complete such large project in such a short period of time. And HR Green was actually recognized for the work that we did. And so it was just very rewarding. It wasn't me personally accomplishing this, it was the team. So it just felt good knowing that the team made HR Green look good.
My internship at HR Green gave me a very realistic preview of what it would be like to be a civil engineer. The tasks they gave me as an intern were the same as those they would give to a full-time staff engineer, and now that I am working full-time, the work is very similar as to what I was doing as an intern.
I was able to see what civil engineers do in the real world. I was able to see specific processes. I got to be part of projects from when they first went out to bid to when the notice of completion is filed. I got to be part of projects when we were first going out to the field to take quantities or see the current conditions to when they're actually done and completed
I chose HR Green for full-time employment because of the company culture. Everyone shares the passion for providing safe and innovative solutions to the clients. Additionally, every employee is valued and committed to helping one another grow as individuals.
HR Green is a company that will treat you well. You'll have friends there regardless of what you like. If you like gaming, if you like sports, if you like TV shows, there's somebody that likes what you like. And not just that, but it's a company that cares about you and challenges you. Now, it's not just a company that says, here, do this, do it for weeks on end. It's a company that'll give you something new, even if you've never, especially if you've never done it. They'll give you something new. They'll let you make the mistake. They'll correct you. They'll teach you. And then the second time you do it, you'll be a lot better. And through this, I've been learning a lot more than I would have at any other company. I mean, I can see my growth from school, from junior to senior year, and then senior to graduating and working as a full-time engineer. It's astronomical how much I've learned.